These are the factored forms. Great work for getting at least half of these right. If you really struggled with these, I would go back and review your factoring. Try and get in some more practice before moving on. If you only missed one or two, then see if you can find your mistakes by looking at your factors. If you can't find your mistakes, then continue watching the solution to see where your reasoning went wrong. The greatest common factor for these three terms is 1, so let's use factoring by grouping to get our two factors. We want factors of negative 30 that sum to negative 1. The factors are negative 6 and positive 5. Then we can use factoring by grouping to get the factors of 3x plus 1 and 5x minus 2. This is our first numerator. For the denominator, we want to find factors of negative 20 that sum to positive 8. The factors would be positive 10 and negative 2. We use factoring by grouping to get our denominator of 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 1 here. Next, we factor this trinomial. The greatest common factor for each term is 1, so we need to find factors of negative 60 that sum to negative 7. We don't need to factor out a GCF. These two factors are negative 12 and positive 5. They might have been tough to find. We use factoring by grouping to get 2x plus 5 times x minus 6, and this is what we put in our numerator. For our second denominator, we want to find factors of negative 30 that sum to positive 13. We use factoring by grouping to get our factors of x plus 3 and 5x minus 2. And now we're done factoring and we're ready to simplify.